anyone expanding to a new country, the first thing that they really need to take on is the logistics of getting people paid, whether it's payroll or expenses. Processing the expenses ends up being quite a lot of pain. So our customers came to us and said, HSP, can you please come up with a more automated way to do this? So we said, sure, yes, we can, we will. So we did. It's a better way for HQ and finance teams to process and approve expenses, and it's a better way for employees to enter and submit expenses. HSP Global Expense Reporting is an application that's integrated into the OverseasConnect platform that allows employees to submit expenses either through a desktop or mobile environment, allows middle manager approvers to approve through a custom workflow, and allows finance professionals to also approve through that same workflow and post those transactions to the accounting system. So the first thing a global finance person would see coming into OverseasConnect is the country tabs at the top here. OverseasConnect is organized by country, so I can click on the UK tab, click on the Expenses tab, launch Expense Reporting, launch the Approvals tab, and immediately see the expense reports in my queue for approval. I can analyze those expense reports by drilling down the expense line items, where I can see the attached receipt and all the information about that particular expense. I can approve or reject at the line item level with just a click. So here's how you'd use the mobile device. So you just tap the icon to begin the expense entry, tap Reports, tap the plus sign, enter the name of your expense report, tap Save, tap the plus sign to enter a line item, tap to enter the amount, tap Save, tap the camera, take your receipt, get a nice focus, tap Use, and now it's time to link. Tap the receipt, tap the photo of the receipt, tap Link to the existing expense item, and you're done. Easy. So this is great for employees who do a lot of travel and collect a large number of receipts and have many expense reports to submit. For the middle manager who has to approve all those expense reports and analyze those line items. For the HR person who really wants to make employees happy and have a really good experience from an expense reporting perspective. And from the finance manager's perspective, approving those expense reports and making sure those transactions are booked to the accounting system. HSP just streamlines the workflow for expenses, period.